Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today, I'm gonna talk about 5 areas where men seem to excel. Let's get straight to the point. First up, problem solving, the art of fixing and connecting. Men are often seen as natural problem solvers, driven by an instinct to provide and protect. They love to fix things, whether it's a broken faucet or a complicated issue at work. But this can sometimes lead to misunderstandings, especially when women are looking for emotional support rather than solutions. Research shows that men view problem solving as a way to show effectiveness rather than connect emotionally. So ladies, be clear about your needs. Men balance your solutions with a bit of emotional connection. Next, acts of service, the silent language of love. Men often express love through practical actions like washing the car or filling the gas tank. These acts might seem, trivial, but they are a significant way men show their commitment and care. Women try to notice and appreciate these gestures. Men, keep doing what you are doing, and maybe throw in a verbal "I love you" now and then to balance things out. Now let's talk about compartmentalizing, the art of mental segregation. Men have a unique ability to separate the different aspects of their lives: work, home, and recreation. They can shelve their emotions temporarily to focus on specific tasks. This can be a bit puzzling for women who might struggle with emotional interference. Giving men a bit of transitional space before hitting them with questions or tasks can really help. Respect this mental separation and you will find a smoother communication. Then there's emotional processing, the delicate balance of silence. Men often process emotions internally rather than talking about them. Women might see this silence as indifference, but it's just their way of thinking things through. Understanding that men might need quiet time to process emotions can prevent unnecessary conflicts. Create an environment where both partners feel heard and respected for their unique styles. Finally, moving forward, the power of letting go of the past. Men tend to leave past issues behind and focus on the present. Women might revisit past problems, seeking reassurance, but men often prefer not to dwell on old grievances. This proactive mindset helps in moving forward. Recognizing this difference can foster mutual understanding and keep unnecessary friction at bay. Focus on resolving current issues without dragging up the past. So there you have it. Relationships are a complex dance where each gender brings unique strengths to the table. By appreciating and understanding these strengths, whether it's problem solving, showing love through actions, compartmentalizing, emotional processing, or moving forward, we can navigate relationships with empathy and respect. I hope these insights help both men and women appreciate the special contributions each brings to a relationship. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.